graph y equals -2 times x minus 2 whole thing to the power of 2 plus 3. So this is a typical vertex form parabola. So negative, that's a times x minus h squared plus k. Vertex will be h comma k. And then your axis of a symmetry, that's symbol for axis of a symmetry, that is x is equal to h. Now, there's no need to memorize this. If you know your graph, that's the graph either this way or this way. That's h, and this is a k. You're just reading the x coordinate. Okay, x is equal to h. So focus on the vertex. So let's rewrite the question that is given to us. Y is -2 x minus 2 squared plus 3. So here your a is less than 0, so you know that it's upside down U shape, and your vertex, that's 2, that's h, that's a 3, that's k, so you know that your vertex is 2 comma 3. So let's mark the vertex here. That's a 2, that's a 3, that's your vertex, and then the graph will be upside down U shape. Now here, what you need to be careful is this. So this one, when you look at the question, y is -2 x minus 2 squared plus 3, just ignore -2 and 3. That means my parent function is y is -2x squared. Now remember, with a parent function like this, that's 0. When x is equal to 1, then your y value is -2. And when x is equal to -1, it also -2. So this will be the parent function. Now you go to the right by 1, you go down by -2. So what that tells me is this. You know what? I'm going to actually explain this by using transformation as well. Okay, let's just do it now. Y is -2x squared. You can consider this as a parent function. X is, instead of x minus 2, the graph will what? Move right by 2. Instead of y, now be careful, that's y minus 3. Why am I saying it's y minus 3? Y minus 3, that is equal to -2 x minus 2 squared. Then you're going to add plus 3. So the end result will be, if you solve for y, that's a -2 x minus 2 squared plus 3. So that's the question that is given to us. Now, instead of y minus 3, this is a move up by 3. So this will be a linear transformation. So that's a 0, -2, -2. So the graph will be drawn like this. Okay, so the graph move to the what? Right by 1 and 2 and move up by 2. So you notice that this value right here, you go to the right by 1, go down by -2. So it's not really slope here, but it's pretty much like similar idea. This will give you the adjacent point. Okay. All right. So here, axis of a symmetry will be x is equal to 2. And then the vertex will be 2 comma 3. And y-intercept, you have to evaluate it. So y of 0, so trying to find the y value when x is equal to 0. So that's -2, 0 minus 2 squared plus 3. So that's -2 times 4 plus 3, -8 plus 3. That will be -5. So it's -5.